Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about a premium smartphone. I have with me the new Oppo Reno7 5G. It's a premium smartphone with very unique features, very stylish design and more importantly an upgraded camera system. Here's what we think. So let's start off with the unboxing of what's there inside the Oppo Reno7 5G here. So first you'll get what is probably the instruction manual and the safety procedures for the smartphone. You also get a rear panel cover right here, which is very handy. You have the instruction safety procedures right here and the other details over here and the SIM card slot remover. And now for the phone itself. It's a pretty gorgeous device. Very sleek and slim frame. I'll talk more about the design and the display details later in the video. Next, we have the massive charger with 65 watt fast charging support right here. It's pretty heavy too. And the Type-C cable.
So here the display of the Oppo Reno7 5G smartphone is a 6.43-inch AMOLED panel. It offers a 90 Hz refresh rate. You can also get a punch hole cutout right there for the selfie camera. Overall, it's a very immersive display that makes it ideal for long viewing hours. The rear panel itself, here you get dual colors, so you can see it going from cold to warm, which makes it very stylish to look at. You also have a scratch resistant design at the rear panel. One of the key highlights of the Oppo Reno7 5G smartphone is the camera setup. Here you get a triple camera setup with a 64MP primary shooter. But most importantly, it's the portrait mode on the Oppo smartphone. It can take some really gorgeous photos even in low light or dim light environments. Here I'm trying to take a photo of a flower in my garden and it's shooting it really amazingly. I can say the same, that the portrait mode is really good even for selfies, which makes it a great device for content creators and influencers. The camera aside, I also love the editing options that I find on the Oppo Reno7 5G smartphone. Here I'm just editing my photo, it's a selfie that I took, and you get a lot of filters, a lot of tones and other beauty effects that you can add or remove. Simply put, you have a lot of options to choose from right here. For instance, you can make it fun by adding in some stickers, changing your appearances, and a lot more. And that's just one part of the photo editing options that you have on the Oppo Reno7 5G. And it doesn't just end there. You can go back and edit even your videos right here. You can open any of your videos, give it a total makeover. You can add in some social media effects to it, add in stickers, music. You also have this option of loop cut, which you can add in a lot of filters, stickers, and it's just very fun to use on the Oppo Reno7 5G smartphone. It just makes all your videos social media worthy, ready to just upload and share.
So moving on, let's go under the hood and see what the features and the processor details of the Oppo Reno7 5G. Here, the smartphone gets its power from the MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset. It is paired with the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. And one of the best features is it's got an expandable RAM, as you can see here. It can be expanded up to another 5GB. So this is very ideal if you are looking for intensive apps like gaming or editing or anything like that. And just like all other Oppo smartphones, this smartphone also runs ColorOS, as you can see it right here. This comes with a couple of preloaded apps, including apps like Oppo Store, where you can, surf for new products, new Oppo products, upcoming products, and so on. You also get an app called My Oppo, which helps in privileges and rewards and such that, which you can use with loyalty program and earn more rewards and so on. Plus, you get a lot of other apps inbuilt, like for instance, you have Slow Loop, and which you can use for editing videos, which you can use for making something fun.
So that's our first impression of the new Oppo Reno7 5G smartphone. It's available in the Indian market and comes with all these stylish features. We'll be posting a detailed review soon. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Click on gizbot.com to know more. Thank you.